Nearby monuments near Baturin fortress. So if you're going to visit this place with our car, there is some shade view from nearby Konotop. It's approximately 40 minutes by bus. So here is the fortress itself. About the fortress there is a separate video, but near the fortress you can see two monuments and one church. So first monument, I can hardly translate it to English. It sounds like my doves, my sons, something like this. It means that the mother sees off her sons to the war. And here is another big monument with 5 hetmans of Ukraine. All of them they lived in different time, in different centuries, but all of them, they did a lot of things to Baturin city when the Baturin was the capital of the hetmanship. Here is 5 hetmans: Demyan Mnogohreshny, Samoilovich, Hetman Mazepa, Orlik and Kirill Razumovsky. On the opposite of this monument there is a Resurrection Church. It was built between 1799 and 1803 in the Empire style. And he was buried, the last hetman of Ukraine, Kirill Razumovsky. He was his grave. But to regret, when Soviet communists came into power at the beginning of 19th century, they dismounted all the grave, and gravestone was just thrown away. But now, as far as you know, it's located in some museum.